Hi, my name is Jessica Blyler, and this is my screencast on what is STEM. A little bit about myself. I'm a third grade teacher at Melrose Elementary in the Harrisburg City School District. I just finished my third year there. I'm really interested in STEM because I think it's a great way to engage and to build the problem-solving skills that children need these days. I'm really fortunate that my class is involved in a STEM mentoring program. It was done first this year, and we have high schoolers that come down and work with the kids on different inquiry activities that are really interesting. A little bit about myself. In my free time, I like to swim. I coach swimming, and I do some open water swims on the side. I also coach Girls on the Run. Me and my boyfriend also have an adorable little mini golden doodle named Chance. He's awesome. And my favorite cartoon characters are the Powerpuff Girls. My operational definition of STEM education is interdisciplinary experiences used across disciplines to combine and access multiple concepts that create, provide, and enhance problem-solving skills in real-world applications. It is a creative process. The STEM integration in K to 12 education video describes STEM as the application of math and science using technology in the engineering design process to drive the economy. Neil Tyson describes it as needing to be scientifically and mathematically literate. Vasquez explains STEM education as removing the traditional barriers by separating the 4 disciplines in Chapter 1 of STEM Lesson Essentials. This year, I have been able to incorporate STEM education into the classroom on a regular basis. My class is part of a STEM mentoring program funded through C Research. In cooperation with my school's gifted teacher, we have incorporated STEM education in many ways. This program allows students from the high school to mentor and work with my third graders to discover, invent, and create. They have worked through an aqua challenge this year, creating a system for water to travel and correct a problem in their Lego community. They have used research, Lego, water pumps, tablets, coding, systems, and more. Other examples that we've done are building boats, book stands, and kites, using snap circuits and Ozobots, categorizing rocks, and learning about different professions and watching presenters present. My STEM practices over here, the Aqua Challenge hit a lot of these. Through engineering, it really defined the problem. The students got to choose what they wanted their problem to be, whether it was how do I get water to my sink, or how do I get water to shower, or how do I get water if there's a fire. They really chose what the problem was. They developed and used models in many ways. They designed solutions, so they modeled their solution. They designed their solution in their Lego structure. They obtained evaluations and communicated the information. They presented to teachers, principals, other community members. They also learned how to use new technology that was available. A lot of them have never used tablets and the coding system that we've used before, or these little computer pumps that the Lego has. They made informed decisions about technology and how it will affect the environment, and they used appropriate tools. Next, Neil Tyson says that STEM education is important because of 4 letters, JOBS, jobs. STEM drives the economy, and a student without it might get left behind. He says it's the act of having learned the difficult math or physics in high school that establishes the wiring and the problem solving in the brain that you need. The National Academies of Science, Engineering, and Medicine describe STEM as serving civilization, necessary for the betterment of the country, and connects new frontiers. STEM education is important so that all students become STEM literate in order to thrive and function in our highly technological world. I want to learn during this course how to better integrate and assess my students, as well as being better prepared. Following the STEM guiding principles, I also want to learn how to better focus on integration, establish relevance, emphasize 21st century skills, and challenge my students and be able to mix it up. And there are my resources. Thank you so much.